Okay, so my pregnancy insomnia has set in, so I'm currently curling my hair at 3 in the morning. So I haven't used rollers like this in a really long time, but I have these satin rollers. I got them from Amazon. I'm going to use them for the perimeter. And then I have a huge bag of perm rods that I will use for the rest of my hair. I figure these will be more gentle on the perimeter of my hair, so let's just get started. I just washed my hair is still damp. If I need to wet it as we go, I'll just use my spray bottle. But I'm gonna grab a pretty small section from here. So I'm gonna do 7. I like to start at the root and wrap it around. Then you just clip it in. So far, I really wish that I got more of these satin ones because the way that it clasps down, it feels a lot more secure and tight compared to these ones. There's like a space here, so it's not holding down my hair as securely as I would like it to. So yeah, but I only have like 10 more of these, so obviously that's not gonna cover my whole head. But we're gonna keep going. Okay, so you guys get the idea of how I like to roll my hair with perm rods. See this one here? Needs to be redone. I need to order some more of these because I'll get the exact same effect, and actually these are safer on your hair, especially if you're not fully locked yet. These ones are just hard plastic, so they're very rough and they have like bumps on them. So I'm gonna have to order some more of these from Amazon. These will also be a lot more comfortable to sleep on. Okay, so I'm gonna continue this, but I'm not gonna be standing anymore. I'm gonna go sit down, watch a show, finish rolling all of my hair, and I will show you in the morning. Okay, so it is the next day. My hair is completely dry, so we are gonna take down these perm rods and see what's going on. I really hope these turn out okay. I don't even know if my hair is long enough, if these perm rods are still good enough to create a curl, so let's see. Okay, there's a curl there. So I still have this much left. I think with short hair, the way to get even better results is to use like really small sections, like maybe 4 locks. I think curling long locks is just a lot easier than curling short locks. Do you guys agree with that? I feel like it's just easier to create a really nice curl on longer hair. I definitely prefer these satin rollers to the plastic perm rod ones. I think I'm gonna have to replace all of my perm rods with the satin ones because it was just a lot easier to wrap it on the satin ones. At least with my hair this length. When it's longer, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so you guys get the idea. I'm just gonna continue taking these out and I will come back when it's all done. All the perm rods are out. Now I'm just going to separate them and see how I want to style it. How the curls look separated. I did like a little afro type of vintage vibe. So the curls in the front are definitely nice and defined, especially when I used the satin rollers. Things got a little bit less defined at the back because I had to use the biggest size perm rods, and this size just isn't gonna work for my hair at this length, so it would have been better if I had more satin rollers and more perm rods this size. But that's okay. At least we tried it. We tried something different. I I think it looks really cute. So I'm gonna see how else I can style this, but what do you guys think of the afro vibe? Comment down below. So this is the second thing I came up with. It's just my side part, and I put in a bobby pin right here, and that's it. So make sure to comment down below which perm rod look you prefer. Which one would you wear? Also, let me know what your favorite method is to curl your locks. So far I've done a braid out on my channel and perm rod curl. So I'm thinking of doing like an updated braid out because my hair is longer now. Maybe some pipe cleaner curls. So yeah, we will see. But I'm going to enjoy these curls while they last. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.